Does your garage door make a lot of noise? Watch this video to find out how to make it quiet. Take a piece of cardboard, put it behind the spring, and then spray the spring with lube. Get some lube in the bearings, one on each side. Then lubricate the rollers and the stems on the top fixtures. Lubricate the remaining rollers and hinges. Make sure you get the pivot points in the stem. It really helps with the noise. The friction of the rollers creates a black dust, so wipe it off. Now you want to work the lube into the roller stem, so give it a couple of twists. Spray the bottom fixture while the door is open to avoid getting lube on the ground. Don't forget to twist the lube in. Then you wipe off the excess lube. You don't want to make a mess of the door. Now you want to check the balance of the door. Make sure the door opens and balances halfway, and then you open the door all the way to see if it doesn't come crashing down on you. Thanks for watching the video. If this video helped you, just give a like, follow, or subscribe.